Hi everyone, welcome to Wealthy Mindset. My name is Oliver. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I hope you guys are having a great day like always. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about BlackBerry stock from March 11th to potentially earnings, and it's going to be a quick video. Definitely encourage you to watch my last two videos, specifically the last one, because I'm going to be adding to that basically. So I'm going to give you guys essentially a play, but it's not going to be the highs and lows in this video. You can watch the last two videos for that. And I'm going to do this by analyzing the graph. It's going to be an important video. Definitely highly encourage you to watch it. It's going to be short, but a quick disclaimer before I begin. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not a professional. And everything I do share with you guys is just my opinion. It is not advice. So please do not buy or sell based off the information I show you or the opinions I do form. I do own shares in BlackBerry, been holding for 6 years, and I definitely could be biased in this video because I think it's a little bit too optimistic, but the signs you're going to see, I think they're relatively really good. So if you watched my last video, you've noticed that we had a downward trend resistance line. I said that we were above it. It was a good sign. We came back and back tested it though and went back up. So it's still a good sign. We basically solidified it as support in a way, even though we had false breakouts a little bit. But these false breakouts are like minute ones. We went up to the upside. Hopefully we hold. Right now we're looking at pre-market at $10.51, closed at $10.34. So this is the first sign. Now the second sign is we have this upward trend support line that's on the 5-year chart. It's not necessarily the cleanest because we have a touch point here clearly. Here's not really a touch point, but if you zoomed in, you could see it is a touch point. And then a third touch point right here, and it's going to the upside. Now it looks promising. I'm going to show something else after this, but MACD lines in the positive, or not MACD, long moving average and short moving average were above them, both of them. But the problem is the MACD line is crossing over to a negative, right? But keep in mind, this is the 5-year chart. If we look at the 1-year chart though, you can see that it has an upward trend support line like it does earlier at the 5-year chart, but it did bounce off it as support, so that is good, but it could be potentially coming back down. And then from I didn't measure, I did it like an amateur measure, but it looks like we could get down to 998 again, but that's just, take that with an extreme grain of salt. I didn't measure it correctly. I don't have enough time at the moment. I apologize to actually check what the exact price could be. And just to explain what I mean like this. So back test, come down here and then go to the upside. So come down back at this support line. That's what I'm expecting. Now it doesn't necessarily have to do that. It could just reverse to the upside, like not clean like that, but almost like that. So keep that in mind. So that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you did like the video, consider dropping a like. It does help out the channel. Thank you so much. And if you do like videos like these, overall stocks, finance, passive income, mortgages, credit scores, like anything finance related, definitely consider subscribing so you can be notified the next time I do upload those videos. Thank you so much for that as well. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to ask. I'll try to answer them as soon as possible. Thanks again, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.